Here we have Nive Notice, an mFiles integrated reporting application that you can download from Google or Apple App Stores. Let's make an observation using Notice. We will be making an HP observation with a given name and choosing a measurement instance. Notice supports all of mFiles' data types, like these selection lists here. Alright, after making our selections, we take an image of our observation. This image is sent straight to mFiles along with the created report. Next, we type a description and we will check our location that Notice has saved for us automatically. Looks about right. We can go ahead and send the report on its way. After sending, the observation will become available in our mFiles client. Here we can see all of the entered metadata and do some further processing. In Notice, we can make all sorts of reports, like incident reports or maintenance requests. All of these observation types are configurable in our mFiles admin tool. In here, we can change the look of Notice, as well as all of the observation types and the metadata that we want to collect in them. This way, we can make Notice suit exactly our needs.